Welcome to Creative TV and welcome to Apache, Arizona. We're gonna go back in time and explore the Goldfield mine, which is now the Goldfield Ghost Town.
In the shadows where the silence dwells, echoes of the past haunting like spells. Streets once alive, now covered in dust. Memories flicker, a silence we trust. Ghostly whispers through the empty.
In the 1990s, Goldfield boasted 3 saloons: a boarding house, a general store, a blacksmith shop, a brewery, a meat house, and a schoolhouse. Just when it looked like the town would outgrow Mesa, the vein faulted, the grade of ore dropped, and the town died a slow, painful death. After many unsuccessful attempts to reopen the mines, the town finally came to life again from 1910 to 1926. After more than 115 years, travelers from all over the world still visit Goldfield mining. If you dare to visit, it is recommended to take the 25-minute tour. It's an underground guided tour that takes you back in time to 100 years ago. The conductors of the tours are well versed in the history of the mine, town, gold mining equipment, and procedures. If you're brave enough to walk Goldfield at night amongst the living ghosts, then take a walk with Matt Mason through the historic mining town at night to learn about the legends, spirits, and curses that share the town with its residents to this very day.
Hold secrets of lives once bright, famine and disease swallowed by the night. Columns of stone marked the threshold of hope, but now only ruins, a faded slope. Battle cries linger, trapped in